Have you ever wondered why your plants aren't thriving as they should, even though you're watering them and giving them sunlight? Well, the answer might lie in the soil. Soil testing plays a crucial role in maintaining plant health. It can expose hidden nutrient deficiencies and pH imbalances that could be silently stunting your plant's growth. Think of it as a health checkup for your garden, diagnosing issues before they become overwhelming problems. So, if you want your plants to thrive, soil testing is a must. Now, you might be wondering, how does one test the soil? Well, the process is much simpler than you might think. First, you'll need to collect a soil sample. Using a clean spade or trowel, dig a hole about 6 inches deep. From the side of this hole, remove a slice of soil and place it in a clean container. Try to gather samples from several different areas of your garden for a comprehensive view. Once you've collected your samples, you can either send them off to a lab or use a home testing kit. Labs will provide a detailed analysis while home kits offer a quicker, albeit less precise, assessment. Lastly, it's time to interpret the results. These will tell you about the soil's pH level and nutrient content, giving you a clear picture of what your soil needs. If this seems daunting, don't worry. Most test results come with a guide to help you understand. And there you have it, a straightforward process to ensure your soil is in the best condition for your plants. So, why wait? Kickstart your journey toward a flourishing garden today. Soil testing is a simple yet transformative step that can elevate your gardening experience to new heights. Take the first step towards healthier, happier plants with soil testing. And that wraps up our quick look at soil testing. Remember, it's a vital step to optimize plant health, uncovering what your soil needs. So give it a go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!